Hello, dear student. I am Amol from Empower Tutorials, and we are studying sets from the 9th state board. Okay, so we are doing word problems on the basis of what? Union and intersection of two sets. Okay, in last video I taught you two different type of questions. Okay, let's see some more questions. This is little bit different question. What is given? This is 6 question from your problem set. Okay, so what is given? See, there are total number of student is given. Total number of students are 28. Okay, and there are 8 students who have dog as their pet animal at their home. Okay, so we can say that 8 number of student. So we can write only dog as a pet animal. So number of student is 8. Okay, there are 6 students who have only cat as their pet animal. 6 students, and the same time 10 students are given who have both the animals as their pet. Okay, so both animals as their pet. This is number of student 10. You understood? Now see here, you have to understand this word only dog and only cat. Okay, and I'll tell you how to solve this. Now what is asked? The question asked it, find the number of students who do not have any animal, either dog or cat as their pet animal. Okay, so number of students do not have any of the animal as their pet. Okay, so as usual, first you can consider it, this is dog, so you can consider this set as a D, this set as a C, or you can use any letter A, B, C, X, Y, any letter. Okay, so what is given? Only dog means what? We'll write it number of D dash. Okay, it is 8 number of student. Number of this is cat, only cat, so it is given 6 students. They are getting the why it is dash, because in our regular formula we use, when we use that formula union and intersection, there is a number of a student who has dog or cat as their pet animals. That time we consider when we write n of d. So n of d means number of student who has dog as their pet animal, and there are common element also. Okay, but when we are considering only dog and only cat, then that time we have to consider this dash. Okay, now before using that formula, which formula? Expression that we have to use is what? This one, n of d union c is equal to n of d plus n of c minus n of d intersection c. Okay, so what I was telling you, this is not n of d given. Are you getting this? N of d and n of c means what? It is a number of student who has dog as a pet animal, and there are what? Combined total number of student also there, means common element, common students are there. So how to solve this? Again we will take the help of Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Okay, I'll write here only. There are 2 set. Say this is D and this is C. What is given? 8 student. See, I am drawing like this. This is 8 student having only dog is a cat animal. This is 6 student who has pet animal as a cat as a pet animal, only 6 student, and this is common student, these are 10. So if you have to find the actual number of student n of d which has dog as a pet animal, so what we'll do? We will add this, because 10 is common in set D and set C also. So actual number is 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So first you have to find out this. In the same way you have to find number of student which has cat as a pet animal. N of C is equal to 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Okay, See here, just by the statement sentences, sometimes the idea is not clear. So that's why we have to take the help of this Venn diagram. From Venn diagram, we can understand it clearly. Are you getting this? This horizontal lines mean this is a number of students having dog as pet animal, only dog as a pet animal, okay, and 10 is common, so 10 plus 8 is total number of student, 10 plus 6 is total number of student which has cat as a pet animal. You got it? Okay, now put these values in our above expression and you will get this n of D union C. What is n of D is what? It is 18. This is plus 16, and what is this D intersection C? It is 10. So it is 34 minus 10. 34 minus 10 is what? 24. 24. So what is the meaning of 24, or what it exactly indicate? It indicate that there are 24 students which has either dog or cat as their pet animal, okay, any one of them, okay, either dog or cat. And now what is our main question? Our main question is we have to find the number of students who do not have any of the animal as their pet. So what is the total number of students? 28. What is the 24? It is a number of students which has either dog or cat as their pet animal. So how to find out the this number of students which do not have any of the animal? It's very simple, total minus this. So number of students which do not have any animal as their pet is equal to total 28 minus 24, which is equal to 4. So 4 is a number of students which do not have any of the animal as their pet. Understood? Okay, let's see one more question. One more question. This is pictorial question. It is a 10th question from your problem set, but it is given in some diagrammatic form. So first I have to draw this. This is rectangle given, okay, then there are two ellipses are given. It is written as A, B, this is, I think this is U, okay, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7 numbers are there. Common there are 1 and 5. In B there are 10, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8, and outside there are 11 and 13. 11, 13 and 4. Okay, so there are some questions asked. Let's see how to solve these questions, how to answer the questions based on this diagram. Okay, first understand what is the question. See, this is rectangle is a universal set. Universal set means all the elements are then universal set. What is about A? This is whole set is called A. So there are 2, 3, 7, 1, 5 in A. In B there are 8, 9, 10, 1 and 5. But what is about 1 and 5? 1 and 5 are the common elements in set A as well as in set B. And what is about 4, 11 and 13? They are not the part of set A and B, but they are part of the universal set, means other than A and B but in universal set. Okay, so see, some questions are asked. First it is asked to find out U. Okay, how to find U, universal set? So it's very simple. Universal set means all elements. So write down all the elements. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 is not there, 7, 8 is there, 9, 10 is also there, 11 and 12 is not there, so 13. So this is a universal set. Okay, all the elements from the given diagram is a universal set. Now second one is asked A and B. First, second A. What elements are there in A? 2, 3, 7. But see here, this common is also the part of A, na? So you have to write all the elements. So 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. A. Okay. Third, B. Same way, which elements are in B? 8, 9, 10 is also there, but 1 and 5, because this is also the part of set B. So you can write 1, 5, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Next question, it is asked A union B. You know that what in by A union B? A union B means we have to write all the elements from set A or set B. Okay. And sorry, not or but and combined elements, we have to write all the elements. So A and B means all elements we are taking. So it is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All the elements from A and B, common as well as separate elements. All elements are there, A union B. And what is about A intersection B? The next is A intersection B. You know that very well. In intersection we will write only common elements. So in A and B we can see only 1 and 5 is common. So 1 and 5 is there between A and B. So A intersection B is 1 and 5. Okay, that's all. Understood it? It's very easy question. I hope you understood it very well. So don't forget to like it and at the same time subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.